ओम श्री महागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेद वेदांत वेदांग विद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च। ओम नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। यो गुरु स शिवः प्रोक्तः यः शिवः स गुरुस्मृतः विकल्पं यस्तु कुर्वीत स नरो गुरुतल्पगः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। The topic which was going on in Niti Shatkam was the glory of man of self-respect, or the one who has held a thought which is in Gita called Devi Sampatti. Devi Sampad Vimokshaya Nibandaya Surimata. So such a person, you have seen how he is the one who is the crown of the society. When you go to some city, so you find out which great person this city has produced. Through that only the city is known by this person, this politician has come, or this cricketer has come, or this saint has come. Ernakulam is hardly, I think, is one part of Cochin only. Cochin. But the Ernakulam station is also the railway station is there. And there is where birth of Gurudev was there. So I have been reading this that Gurudev was born in Ernakulam. When I first came, it was so touching that I took the mud of Ernakulam and put on myself, because it gave a great saint to the whole world. So it is their power through which others become powerful. It is their smile through which others become happy. So this topic was going on because they held to something which holds the whole character of a person. It may be sacrifice, it may be surrender, it can be something else. So that a person is known not by what he has outside, but what he is inside. Which thought he cannot leave, which thought he can leave. Supposing a person cannot leave anger, so person then he is of the nature of anger. Person cannot leave dan, like Karn could not leave dan. In spite of all the pains, he could not say no to somebody who asked, like Indra asked Kavach Kundal and he tore it from his body. So our values should be so strong, that it should be like the skin which cannot be taken away from us. Whether it is Satya, whether it is Ahimsa, whether it is Dharma, whether it is our jap, whether it's our nishtha, whether it is our bhakti, whether it is our love for God, then that is essential. Then that is आज मुहूर्त है कुछ. Then that is called that this person has practicing this value from the last births only. What is newly practiced is taken away fast. But what is practiced since birth, it is his very essential nature, you can say. You cannot take that thing out of that person. So much we should be close to our amanitvam, adambhitvam, etc. Ahimsa, Kshanti, Rarjavam. Bharat ji, see, 14 years he ruled, and whole Ayodhya, rather Bhagwan Ram says to Bali that I am acting on behalf of King Bharat. So Bharat is the king of all the earth, we are only his subjects. But the day Bhagwan Ram came, that very day Bharat ji said, now my role is over and now you take over. Not 1 second it took him to renounce, because the enjoyment was power was not in his nature. He was so much uh, closer to the devotion that anything other than devotion didn't matter to him. What we live, that means it has not become our nature. So, if it has not become the nature, then possibilities of something, some storm can take it away. Whether it is our niyam, whether it is our nishtha, whether it is our guru bhakti, whether it is our Ishwar bhakti, whether it is our sadhana, whether it is our love for goal. So, that should not be the case with us. Goodness, unless it is permanent, it doesn't give fulfillment and solutions. Part-time goodness is not goodness, because it will not be helping the person. देखो, many people give the life for a certain cause. It can be country, it can be for protecting their vows. Arjun was having a great character. So even when Urvashi came in front of Arjun and invited him to indulge and enjoy, Arjun didn't agree. And nobody else was there, and Urvashi, who will not be attracted by Urvashi? So his nature of, he said that I follow Manav Dharma. And Manav Dharma is such that you cannot enjoy any woman you want. So this tenacity that Arjun had of character, I'm just saying how he held to it at such moment, which could be a weak moment of anybody. Prahlad ji, when he was being the snake was made to bite him, and the elephant were brought to crush him. Still, he did not have any hatred for the Shukrachar's son, Shandanamark. How much developed that emotion was that he was not affected. This is the meaning of oneness of that value in us. Like that, many examples are there. Not one, two, but many examples are there. Bhagwan Ram is, of course, the acme of all great examples. Even Kekai is shunning him to forest. Still, his bhav of motherhood did not go for Kekai. Anybody else would have said, no, for now you are no longer a mother. I will leave you forever. So that also that bhav, high bhav he could maintain under such a situation. Such a surprising thing is there. Bharatji, 14 years they say out of sight, out of mind. Bhagwan Ram is out of sight for so long, but still his love didn't diminish. So for 14 years when he didn't see, still he used to have the same love. And he said, I won't wait for one more day. So this is the way of the greatness. What values they cheer, they adhere to. They breathe it rather. They drink it, they eat it, they see it. And that is what makes them very different from ordinary person. So we should internalize more such things so that our mind becomes fitter to go to God. Let us see now 34th verse. We had seen 33rd. 34th we have to see, no? 34th. सन्त्यन्येऽपि बृहस्पति प्रभृतयः सम्भावितः पञ्चशाः स्थानप्रत्येशविशेषविक्रमरुचि राहुर्न वैरायते द्वावेव ग्रसते दिवाकरनिशा प्राणेश्वरौ भास्करौ भ्रातः पर्वणि पश्य दानवपतिः शीर्षावशेषाकृतिः. He says that those who become great, they are always under attack by some wicked person. So ordinary person is not being brought down, because anybody who becomes great, he gets more name, he gets more attention, he gets more love, he gets more respect. So ordinary person who is not able to get, always remember, the one who is behind, he will be more jealous of one who is ahead. You're not jealous of somebody who is behind, you'll be jealous of somebody who is ahead of you. So they pull him down. They try to Duryodhan was jealous of Yudhishthir because Yudhishthir was greater. And after Rasu Yag, when the Pandavas got the glory and Yudhishthir got all the fame, at that time Duryodhan was very angry, and more than anger, he was more having matsar and jealousy. And then he thought of hatching a conspiracy. Similarly, if somebody is very ordinary, so he's not attention doesn't go to that person. He doesn't get that much as other person will get. So, but this person who is down, he thinks why he is getting when I am not getting. He doesn't understand and accept the fact that maybe he has more tapasya, or he has more of talent, or he has more of something. And therefore, maybe he deserves more than me. Accept it. But he tries to pull him down. And the example given here is, see the example here. Bhratah. Mere bhai. Bhartruhari is acting like Gujarati. So Bhratah, last line. Bhratah is vocative case. Santi अन्ये अपि पंचशाः. Sambhavitaha. Others are also there, they are respected. Other grahas are also there, like Brihaspati ityadi, 5 6 Brihaspati, Mangal, Budh ityadi. Other graha is also there in Navagraha. But this Rahu, तान प्रत्येश विशेष विक्रम रुचि राहुर्न वैरायत. It doesn't show a special interest in gulping them, in creating grahan, etc. Because they are not seeing too much on the sky. They are not catching you. Right? You cannot locate where is Brihaspati, where is Budh, where is Shukra. Some are astronomers are there, they know, but I don't have such ideas. They can see that this is this, this is this. But an ordinary person is not eye catching. You have to focus and see what is there. But Dvau ev grasate. You know the story about na? Samudra Manthan was going on. So Mohini made 2 lines, one of Devatas, one of Daitya. He said, see, first let me give the Amrit to Devatas, then to the Daitya, because ऊपर ऊपर पानी है, नीचे तो सॉलिड वही है. तो बैठे रहे पागल की तरह. So they went, सूर्य चंद्रमा was there, but Rahu could find out that something is, हम लोग को नहीं मिलेगा. So Rahu, instead of telling others, he himself went and sat between Surya and Chandrama. And Bhagwan poured the Amrit. Amrit had gone up to this point. And immediately Surya and Chandrama said, Rahu, Rahu, Rahu. And Bhagwan took chakra and cut the head. So that portion had gone. And from that blood came, they say from that pyaj or lesun came onion and garlic. It's a lot of medicinal value because it has amritatvam, but it brings out little asur also. रजोगुणी है थोड़ा, ऐसा बोलते हैं. कहाँ क्या कहता है. तो राहु ने कहा हम बदला छोड़ेंगे नहीं आपका, हम आपका अमावस्या में पूर्णिमा में ग्रहण करेंगे ही करेंगे. राहु इज नॉट गुड डूइंग टू obscure other, Mangal, Brahaspati, etc. because they are not so much in the limelight. Limelight में तो यही लोग हैं. द्वौ एव ग्रसते दिवाकर निशा प्राणेश्वरो भास्वरौ. कौन है राहु? शीर्षावशेष आकृति, ओनली हेड इज रिमेनिंग. तो दिस अहंकारी व्यक्ति, he wants to show his power by obscuring them only. उनको लगता है क्यों इतने आगे बढ़ गए भाई, हम पीछे ही रह गए, हम भी तो मेहनत करें, हम कोई कम थोड़ी ना है. आदमी को अपने को दिखाने की, देखो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम विद कंपटीशन एंड मात्सर वेरी, बिकॉज इन कंपटीशन इज नॉट दैट यू वांट टू गो अहेड, यू वांट टू टेक समबडी बैक. सो कंपटीशन इज वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ द्वेष. देन बड़ा अच्छा वर्ड है हेल्दी कंपटीशन. चलो भाई हेल्दी मान लेते हैं, लेकिन कंपटीशन कैन नॉट बी हेल्दी फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. इट विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ डिजीज. बिकॉज I should go ahead is not the point. He should not go ahead. This is the problem. If only I have to go ahead of everybody, maybe it may be healthy. But I don't think so. But if he goes ahead, then that pricks me. How come he is going ahead and I am left behind? This is the nature of Rahu Ketu. So this tendency, is it not that Bharat should become king? Ram should go to forest. ये तो कम होता जा रहा है. भरत किंग बन जाए तो अच्छी बात है. क्या हुआ? कुछ किया था ना उस दिन? रुको रुको रहने तो गिर. हाँ हाँ ठीक हो रहा है थोड़ा सा. ठीक. Bharat becomes the king, that was not the joy. Ram should go to the forest. So Guru Vasisht said he should live, Dashaji said he should live with Guruji. So the Matsar or the Rahu has a tendency, why other person is going ahead if I am not going ahead? हम नहीं कर पाए, वो कैसे कर ले गया? So here you are opposing you start resisting somebody. You start resisting the very right thing. Resistance to something right is wrong. You live a life in which you are not accepting the right, accepting the truth. It is a false oriented life. दुर्योधन को मान लेना चाहिए कि युधिष्ठिर इज ग्रेट, लाइक ऑल पांडवास बिलीव्ड युधिष्ठिर इज ग्रेट, मान लेते हैं. शिशुपाल को मान लेना चाहिए कि भगवान कृष्ण भगवान है, मान ही नहीं पाए. हाउ कम ही गेट्स एवरीथिंग एंड आई डोंट गेट इट? आई मीन कैकेयी को मान लेना चाहिए कि कौशल्या इज ऑफ कोर्स, कुछ तो पुण्य किया होगा कि उनके पास राम जी जैसा कोई आया. हो जाए राजमाता, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, हम भी रहेंगे. लेकिन छोटेपन की जो अनुभूति होती है अपने अंदर, यू फील स्मॉलर by somebody is becoming bigger, and that smallness is hurting. Instead of thinking of the bigness of the godliness in the person, I am more conscious of feeling sidelined or feeling smaller or feeling dropped. This is the very big disease of a human being. पूरी महाभारत का यही सोर्स है और रामायण में यही वृत्ति है जिसने 2 युद्ध बड़े बड़े करवाया. मंथरा एंड कैकेयी had this वृत्ति, and their दुर्योधन and कर्ण had this वृत्ति. वो रोक तो नहीं सकते किसी को. जो सच है वो मान लो कि सच है, ऐसा है, हम भी खुश हैं, तुम भी खुश रहो. सो compete with yourself, excel your own goodness. अब वसुदेव जी kept भगवान कृष्ण in Gokul, and it was so sad here for Vasudev ji and Devaki ji that nobody was there with them, not a single person. And that girl Devi Ma also flew away, Kans killed. So it was all very depressing and quiet atmosphere. Gokul, lot of joy was going on, dances were going on. And you heard in Bhagavad that Nand Baba comes to Mathura and he went to Vasudev ji to meet. And at that time, Vasudev ji didn't tell about his sorrow, and Nand Baba did not tell about his joy. Vasudev ji asked Nand Baba that how's the joy going on? And Nand Baba said, it's so sad about seeing your plight. तो अपना दुख नहीं बताया उन्होंने और अपना सुख नहीं बताया बस नंद बाबा ने. बट राहु की तरह अगर कोई रहता है तो उसको बहुत गड़ता है कि आदमी आगे कैसे चला गया हमसे. हाउस ब्रेक, इंस्टीट्यूशंस ब्रेक, कंट्री ब्रेक्स, ऑफिसेस ब्रेक, ऐसा ऐसा हो जाता है. सो दैट नेचर शुड नॉट बी देयर. दैट नेचर ऑफ राहु शुड नॉट बी देयर. राहु को मान लेना चाहिए था कि ठीक है, क्यों आप ग्रहण करो इनके ऊपर. ऐसे बहुत से एग्जाम्पल्स आते हैं, लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. देखो, आई ऑलवेज सेड दैट भरत जी एंड लक्ष्मण जी, भरत जी वॉज नॉट jealous of Lakshman ji that Lakshman ji gets all the opportunity to be close to Bhagwan Ram. I was asked to go back and take care of Ayodhya. Why couldn't Lakshman ji given this task? Why half of was not done? कुछ भी आदमी सोचता है जब आदमी का दिमाग खराब होता है. जब आदमी का दिमाग खराब होता है तो कोई है without head and tail he starts thinking anything to support his argument. लेकिन उनके मन में ये नहीं आया. उनको लगा कि नहीं, आई थिंक लालन जोग लगन लगु लोने, ही इज वर्थ इट. भैंस भाई न हुई ही होने. नो बडी इज विल बी बॉर्न लाइक दैट, नाइदर इज बॉर्न नाइदर विल बी बॉर्न. ऑन द अदर हैंड, लक्ष्मण जी, when being with Ram ji used to praise Bharat ji a lot. But Lakshman ji never had any sense of competition that I do all the seva, but he is being praised. I'm just saying, you know why it is not there? Because the joy of thinking yourself is small in front of God, this gives you joy. In front of world, when you think I'm small, you will not get joy. But in front of God, when you think small, then you will get joy. This is Bhakti Marg. And if you are a Gyan Marg, well, another form of me is this. You praise him or you praise me, doesn't matter. हम लोग एक ही हैं. One soul in two bodies. One soul is there in two bodies, which is right. हम एक महात्मा के साथ बैठे थे तो किसी ने कहा कौन है? बोले जो हम हैं वही ये है. जो हम हैं वही ये. हमारा भी नाम अभेदानंद है. उनका नाम वो नहीं था. इनकी बात हमारी बात हो गई. इसको ट्रेन करना चाहिए. मिलता कुछ नहीं. भाव अशुद्धि हो जाती है तो व्यक्ति की कर्म शुद्धि होगी और भाव अशुद्धि से व्यक्ति का जो अच्छा फल आता है वो चला जाता है. व्यक्ति अपने अंदर से खींचतान करता रहता है, उधेड़ बुन में रहता है, एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाता है. कुछ न कुछ ऐसा पॉइंट निकाल के खुश हो जाता है, देखो उसकी भी गलती है जो हमारे में नहीं है. यही राहु वाला काम. खुश हो जाता है राहु, लेकिन ग्रहण तो वंश न वाई लाता है. ग्रहण की आयु बहुत लंबी होती नहीं. रोज रोज तो लोग सूरज की और चंद्रमा की ही पूजा करते हैं. कोई राहु की तो करेगा नहीं. ऐसे अलग से एक राहु काल अलग होता है, लेकिन जो स्थान सूर्य चंद्रमा का है और तो किसी ग्रह का नहीं रहेगा. तो ऐसा स्वभाव नहीं बनाना चाहिए कि हमें परेशानी हो किसी के. और कुछ लोग आगे रहेंगे, विच इज एक्सेप्टेड. मेनी आर देयर हु आर बेटर इन मी इन 100 ways. उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए. फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ नहीं. फैक्ट ऑफ देखो क्या बोले, अब बोल ही देते हैं. Somebody went to Gurudev, so he praised one Swamiji. It happened in Mumbai only. Praising is one thing, but he added that Gurudev, he speaks very well and in detail he speaks more than as you speak. He speaks more in detail, better than what your explanation, because he speaks in detail. ऐसा कुछ बोला. So everybody was stunned. It didn't take 1 or 2 seconds for Gurudev to come back. He said, if you praise the son in front of father, so what can be the glory of father than to hear that the son is better than you? ये महापुरुष ऐसे ही होते हैं. कुछ भी लोग उठपटांग बोल देते हैं. कुछ भी बोलना हो, अब गुरुदेव तो गुरु ही रहेगा, चेला ही रहेगा. गुरु तो गुरु ही रहेगा. उससे बड़ा कौन होगा? उससे सीख कर ही हम लोग बोलते हैं. लेकिन हम बता रहे हैं किस तरह के थॉट्स रहते हैं. सो ब्रातः पर्वणि पश्य. पर्वणि मतलब पर्व के दिन. दैट मीन्स व्हेन इक्लिप्स डे इज देयर. इफ यू नो संस्कृत देन इट इज फाइन. अदरवाइज डोंट वरी. चलो नेक्स्ट 35th verse. Please repeat. वहति भुवन श्रेणिं शेषफला फलकस्थितां कमठपतिना मध्ये पृष्ठम् सदा सच धार्यते. तमपि कुरुते क्रोडाधीनम् पयोधीरदानादरा महद अहह महतां निस्सीमानम् अहह महतां निस्सीमानः चरित्र विभूतयः. कहाँ से एग्जाम्पल ढूंढते हैं. सो वहति भुवन श्रेणिम शेषः. जैसे शेष नाग इज होल्डिंग द अर्थ. था ना प्रयागराज में, दिक दिक होल्ड किए थे, शेषनाग इज होल्डिंग द अर्थ, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज होल्डिंग. सो भवति भुवन श्रेणीम शेष फला फलक स्थिता कमठ पतिना, and that शेषनाग is held by कमठ मतलब कच्छप, the tortoise. Madhya Prishtam, therefore in temples tortoise is kept. So that stability should be there. भी देवता है एक, tortoise भी एक देवता है. मध्य पृष्ठम सदा सच धार्यते. वो क्या क्या लिखा है? तमपि कुरुते क्रोडाधीनम, क्रोडाधीनम पयोधि. But tortoise is held by the ocean. Tortoise has to be in the ocean. Anadarat. Anadarat means effortlessly. Mahatam Simanah Charitra Vibhutaya. So this is the glory of the great people. And Nissimana. Nissimana means it is endless. बोले इसमें क्या great people है? There are two meanings at least. One is that great people hold very big vows and very big sankalpas. Their sankalp is very big. अब sannyas, we worship sannyasis because their sankalp is very big that I will be detached, or I will not have the joy of wife, woman, or money, or luxuries. I am renouncing it. And I am a non-competitor. I will not hate anybody. And he does his Virija Shraddh on the day of sannyas. He has done his own Shraddh. इतना बड़ा व्रत वो जिंदगी भर के लिए धारण करना बहुत मुश्किल है. इतना बड़ा व्रत हो गया. One Jain Muni was there. So he got infatuated to one woman. Ultimately he got married after renouncing. But he kept one rule that unless I feed one Jain Muni, I will not eat the food. Every day used to search and give one food, then eat. ऐसे ऐसे रूल्स, एक रूल भी आदमी लेता है ना तो रूल उसको बचा ले जाएगा. एक रूल भी पकड़ के रखे तो एक बड़ी वृत्ति कई बड़ी वृत्ति ले आएगी. So one day he did not get. So he came back sadly. बोले हम आज खानी नहीं खा सकते. वाइफ से बोले I did not get any Jain Muni today. I don't know what happened. Wife said, why don't you become one? तुरंत देखा उसने, तुरंत छोड़ दिया. वो व्रत भी हो गया और साथ में एक दूसरा व्रत भी आ गया. एक व्रत दूसरे व्रत को ले आता है. एवरी व्रत इज ए चेन, इट टेक्स यू टू हायर व्रत. तो जो महापुरुष होते हैं इनके जीवन में संकल्प बहुत बड़ा बड़ा होता है. लाइक सूर्य बाबा हैड अ संकल्प, आई विल नेवर ट्रेवल ऑन एनी सवारी, एनी कार और ट्रेन. ये उनका संकल्प था. इतना डिफिकल्ट है. सो वॉकिंग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम every place covering 20 miles every day, and that too without the sandals in the hot sun. इतना बड़ा व्रत होता है. One day one boy was there, his name was Vraj Mohan. So he said it was very hot. The May, June, summer in Uttar Pradesh is very hot. तप रही थी जमीन. तो साइकिल के पीछे कैरियर होता है. बोले आप इससे बैठ जाइए थोड़ी देर. तो बैठ गए. लेकिन साइकिल धंस गई, फंस गई, गिरे धड़ाम से. वो भी गिरे, ये भी गिरे. फिर उठाया, फिर उठे, फिर बैठा के ले गया. ऐसे बैठे थे. देखो इतने बड़े मान में साइकिल के कैरियर में बैठ गए थे. ये महापुरुष होते हैं. इनके पास बहुत बड़ा प्रेम धारण करते हैं, बहुत बड़ा व्रत धारण करते हैं, बहुत बड़ा निरभिमानता धारण करते हैं. इनके पास निस्सीमानम चरित्र प्रभृतः. देयर इज नो फाइनाइटनेस टू दैट वैल्यू कि इनका विनय यहाँ खत्म हो जाएगा, या इनका संतोष यहाँ खत्म हो जाएगा, या इनका कंट्रोल यहाँ छूट जाएगा, या इनका निष्ठा यहाँ कम हो जाएगी, या इनकी नियम यहाँ टूट जाएगा। वो नहीं टूटता है, वो इसीलिए निस्सीमाना बोल। सो महताम निस्सीमान चरित्र विभूतया। तो बड़े बड़े चीज ये लोग धारण करते रहते हैं। अब तपोवन महाराज टू का वाओ दैट ही विल नॉट कम, ही विल नॉट गो आफ्टर ऋषिकेश। तो ऋषिकेश के बाहर आए नहीं। आफ्टर कमिंग टू उत्तरकाशी ही नेवर लेफ्ट दैट, आफ्टर ऋषिकेश ही डिड नॉट गो एनीवेयर। सर्दी हो में, सर्दी में ऋषिकेश, ऑल्दो ही वाज फ्रॉम साउथ इंडिया, पालघाट से सीधे शायद क्लोज बाई, लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा नियम बना के रखा था। ये तो दे आर द ग्रेट पीपल बिकॉज दे आर कैपेसिटी टू इंड्योर, बिकॉज व्हेन यू टेक एनी vows it takes pain to maintain the vows. It is not no joke to just hold on to the vows. आसान नहीं होता। तो महताम निस्सीमान, कितना अच्छा है, बिकॉज ऑल आर होल्डिंग, ऑल आर कंपेयर टू महात्मास एंड दे आर होल्डिंग समथिंग। Second meaning is that they are the one who hold the world actually by giving the value system. If they are not there, the society will be eyeless. Saints are the eyes, heart, and head of the society. If they are the eyes, they only will guide properly. And if they are the heart, they will tell how to love. And if they are the head, they will tell what is right notion. Without the saint, society is blind. It can be like America or Europe. It's a blind society. It's very good body, but blind society. It's where spirituality is going, it has no destination. Eyes है दिखाते. See, when Kayadu was there, mother of Prahlad, when she was pregnant, Indra had kidnapped Kayadu. And that time, Narad ji came and told that she is carrying a very great saint, and therefore don't kidnap her. Rather, you leave her and bring her in the ashram. And then she remained in the ashram till Prahlad ji was born. Imagine that Gita was not there, Ramayana was not there. What will you see? How will you know Karma Yoga? How will you know Bhakti? How will you know Vairag? How will you know knowledge of the self? How will you know the Katha? How will you know Sagun Sakar? Without Bhagwan Ram Krishna, what is the kind of life you will have? And therefore, very harsh people come out in those areas where such Mahatmas are not there. Ruthless, harsh, pitiless, animalistic. And therefore all world war goes in that area. World war, if you see the atrocities committed in the world war, you will be aghast. The kind of killing somebody is one thing, but torturing very badly is another thing. So that shows the absence of a saint there. There was no eyes. So you become very hard. So Mahatam Nissimana Charitra Prabhritaya. उनकी ग्लोरी बता दी उन्होंने ये बताया कि किस तरह से दी सेंट्स हैव किम दुस्सहनम तु साधुनाम विदुषाम किम अपेक्षितम. दिस श्लोक कम्स इन भागवत फॉर प्रेजिंग whom? Vasudev ji. When the first child was born, and because he gave the words that I'll give the child, and taking his own child and giving to Kans, Dussahanam kim nu sadhunam vidusham kim vidusham दुस्सहनम असाधु क्या नहीं सह सकता. विद्वान व्यक्ति क्या अपेक्षा करेगा. अकार्यम किम कदर्याणाम. A coward person, what he cannot do, how low he will stoop, that you don't. Now, Ashwathama burned the sleeping children of this Draupadi. The Kauravas डिसरोब द द्रौपदी, अजीब अजीब काम करे। लेकिन जो महापुरुष उनकी हाइट क्या होगी, उनके रिस्पॉन्ड की और उनके थिंकिंग की, वो साधारण व्यक्ति नहीं पकड़ पाएगा कि पता नहीं किस हाइट पे जाके सोचा। अबाउट भरत जी, वशिष्ठ जी सेज इन रामचरितमानस, भरत कैरेक्टर इज लाइक द ओशन, अमित महिमा जल राशि, एंड आई एम लाइक द पुअर वुमन इज ट्राइंग टू क्रॉस इट। Similarly, like she cannot know. Similarly, I cannot know how big is Bharat. ये इतना कुछ होता है, ऐसी ऐसी बातें होती हैं। ऊपर से तो लगता है कि है, लेकिन अंदर से वृत्ति कौन सी है, इस हाइट तक वृत्ति जाती है, किसी किसी के त्याग की, किसी के दान की, किसी के समर्पण की, किसी गुरु भक्ति की, किसी की सेवा की, ये कहना मुश्किल है। We'll see more tomorrow. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः